in today's class, what are we going to discuss? Who can say? Pratifal, do you have any idea what are we going to discuss today?
The remaining phylums.
Remaining phylums. So, but invertebrates phylums we have completed.
Now vertebrates.
Now vertebrates. Before vertebrates, now I'm going to guide you how to classify invertebrates. Okay. Students, please be present inside the class. So I can see 9 students in the screen, but presence is only 8. Means one is absent. Samiksha Dahal, where are you? Your naam liya, Samiksha.
Sir, Dad, I came just now, sir. So.
Okay, it's all right. Now let me share the screen. First of all, I'm going to share the screen. Afterwards, we will be discussing some things. Here it is class 9 science. Let's see. Did you see something?
Yes, sir.
What is there?
Classification of some invertebrates.
Classification of some invertebrates. Did you see it? Right. Now,
Yes,
okay, students. To guide you how to do this one. Why it's going here and in there? It's not being able to show. Can you see? Students,
Yes,
what can
sir.
you see? What can
yes,
you
sir.
Classification of
Same
some invertebrates.
classification of some
Classification of some
invertebrates.
invertebrates. So, can you see there the red dot also?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the red dot?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Where, sir?
No, it's not coming.
Red dot means that you have underlined that one.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Yes, sir. See.
Now, what can you see? Okay, what is shown there? Can you tell me?
Classification of some invertebrates.
Invertebrates are some.
I think this screen is very big, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, earlier I guided you how to classify the plants. In today's class, we are learning how to classify the animals. So first of all, I will guide you how to classify cycon, and then I'll be guiding you how to classify hydra. Okay. So in classification, first of all, what we do, we just use kingdom. Please look at your kingdom, then subkingdom, phylum, and type. Okay. Kingdom, subkingdom, phylum, and type. So, what is given there? Kingdom for cycon? What is the kingdom of cycon?
Anemia.
Animalia.
Anemia.
And subkingdom?
Invertebrata.
Invertebrata. And phylum?
Porifera.
Porifera.
Porifera. Right? And subphylum?
No subphylum.
Subphylum. And type? Cycon.
Cycon.
These things you have to remember. Kingdom, subkingdom, phylum, and type. Now tell me, what is the characteristic? Can you see? What is cycon? They bear pores in their body. Right. They bear pores in their body.
Sir, I didn't know this.
Tell me.
I didn't understand.
Which one you didn't understand? Tell me. Classification. What is the cycon? In which kingdom does it belong to? Porifera. Now look at the important characteristics of porifera. What is the important characteristic of Polypara?
They are aquatic and mostly found in
It
sea.
can most
Okay, they are aquatic and mostly found in water. That is okay, but next one is there. They possess two types of pores. Small pores are called ostia and large pores is called osculum. Isn't it?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now can you see something?
No, sir. Why?
Why it is finishing? Now?
Now
high.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay, so right. We are just showing. So if you write one characteristic, you can. Now next one is uh, Hydra. How do you classify Hydra? Classification of Hydra. Kingdom.
Kingdom,
Kingdom,
animalia,
animal,
Subkingdom.
subkingdom,
invertebrata,
invertebrate,
Phylum.
coelenterata,
Coelenterata.
coelenterata,
Type
hydra,
hydra,
Hydra. Right? Type Hydra. Then what do you think? The characteristic
characteristics.
of Hydra. What is the
mouth,
It
characteristic
has
of Hydra?
Mouth
tentacles.
is surrounded by tentacles.
Good. Mouth is
with
surrounded by tentacles. If you say that's better. There is next characteristic also. It contains a hollow cavity called, what is it called?
Coelenterum.
Yeah,
with
coelenteron. It contains a hollow cavity called coelenteron. So is that clear, friends? How to do?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we will be discussing next one. Hey. Next one is tapeworm. How to classify tapeworm? Tapeworm belongs to platyhelminthes. That's why kingdom Animalia. Please observe it. Subkingdom Invertebrata.
Invertebrata,
Phylum Platyhelminthes.
This
Type.
tapeworm.
Now one characteristic. Can you tell one characteristic?
They are soft
They
bodied
are soft-bodied.
and
Their
dull
body is
Most of them are
flattened.
parasitic.
dorsal. Did you see there? Their body is dorso-ventrally flattened or tape-like,
Their
Strong.
body is flattened like a leaf.
flattened like a leaf. That's right. In number second, you can write they are hermaphrodite. What can be written?
They are hermaphrodite.
What meaning of hermaphrodite?
Bisexual.
They are bisexual. In the same animal, there is male part as well as female part. Okay, right now. Yes. Now roundworm. How to classify roundworm? Kingdom Animalia,
Animalia,
subkingdom Invertebrata,
invertebrata,
phylum Nemathermid,
Nemathermid,
type.
roundworm.
round
I said last time also, what or which organism you are going to classify, type is same. My students, can you give the example? No, one characteristics of roundworm.
They are unisexual.
They are unisexual.
Respiration takes place through their skin.
Good, respiration takes place through their skin. So if you write these two characteristics, X and O. Now let's go to next one. What is the next one?
Earthworm,
Earthworm. Students, look at the screen. How earthworm is classified? Kingdom Animalia,
Animalia,
subkingdom Invertebrata,
invertebrata,
phylum.
Annelida,
Speak, then it will be interactive. Okay. Type.
earthworm.
earthworm,
Okay.
earthworm.
Now you tell me the characteristics of earthworm. One
Same like roundworm.
They are
characteristic. If you
they
say
are
same roundworm, then they belong to same phylum. No,
they are usually hermaphrodites.
they are usually hermaphrodite, and their body contains many rings. Please remember, they are hermaphrodite, and their body contains many rings because Annelida means ringworms. Students,
They
is that
respire through skin.
they respire through skin? Means their excretory organs are nephridia. Is it? Will you check? Their excretory organs are nephridia, and their locomotory organs are seta or parapodia. Did you get it, or not?
Yes, sir.
Student, please check it. Eh? Now let's go to snail. How do you classify snail? Kingdom,
Animalia.
subkingdom,
Animalia.
Invertebrata.
Invertebrata.
phylum.
Platyhelminths.
Oh, snail
Platyhelminths.
does not belong to platyhelminths. Please, you caught it. Snail belongs
Snail.
to mollusca. It belongs to
Oh,
mollusca. Please, got this one. And type is snail.
snail.
Okay, it belongs to mollusca. Can you give the characteristics of mollusca?
The body is divided
Has
into
soft
eight
and
foot
unsegmented
and
body.
Good,
visceral mass.
good. That is the
They are
best characteristic. Their body is divided into head, visceral mass, and foot, or their body is covered by calcareous cell. Calcareous cell. Okay. Now, housefly. How to classify housefly? Kingdom, Animalia.
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 Subkingdom,
Invertebrata.
Vertebrata.
phylum,
Arthropoda.
type.
Arthropoda.
Housefly.
Housefly.
Students, can you give one example? So one characteristic of housefly.
their bodies divided into eight thorax and abdomen.
That's right. If you say that much, it's enough. Their body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. So one special characteristic you have to remember. Okay, dear students, now let's go to starfish. I hope you are writing in your copy. If you are writing, then it will be seated. It will be fitted in your mind. Okay, starfish, kingdom,
Animalia.
subkingdom,
Invertebrata.
phylum.
Echinodermata.
Echinodermata.
But spelling is mistake here. Echinodermata. Okay, dermata. And type starfish.
Starfish.
So
Starfish.
now tell me the characteristic of starfish.
They do not have distinct head.
They do not have distinct head. Now, students, do you see any screen share?
No, sir.
No,
What
sir.
can you see? You can see only Teams window, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, students, I will give you how much minute? Maximum 4 minutes to read these animals classification and characteristic. Your time starts now. Please start reading. Cyclone, Hydra, liver fluke, earthworm, and each animal belonging to its phylum, Porifera to Echinodermata. You have to read and you have to memorize the characteristics also. Your time starts now. And when the question is asked, you must be able to say without looking at the book. Okay. Uh, Dear students, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Will you make your sound on so that I can check whether you are reading or not? Isn't it? Once let's make.
We
Come
have
on.
expected from
Professor Morgan has been talking.
Phylum, tapeworm, phylum,
Pratikal,
tapeworm, phylum,
everybody make your
platyhelminths,
sound on. Mic on
They
and read.
are isolated
Samuel,
and mostly found in sea.
Pratikal Sarbagai,
The
your
body
mic.
contains small
phylum,
pores called ostids and
Mimatheominthes,
contains small pores called ostids. The body contains two pores. The body contains number of small pores called ostids and single pores called albumen. on Hydra,
They are not.
Kingdom, Animalia, Subkingdom,
Pass now.
Invertebrates, Phylum, Polychaete, Tetra, Tribe, Hydra, Animalia, Subkingdom, Invertebrates, Phylum, Polychaete, Tetra, Hydra, Hydra, body existing charges and data. They were body 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 a single cavity alcohol open
Where
their
are you
table body
reading?
single part
Samuel,
Papa Kingdom and
Samuel is away. He's not present. Monica, Upasana, Anita, Pratipal, Ramesh, Rohan, Samiksha, Saurika, and Suleksha. Students and Mr. Neupani teacher are present, right? Okay, everybody stop reading now. Stop reading. Now I will ask you the questions you have to answer. Okay, you have to say the classification. Are you ready?
yes sir.
Are you ready or not? So your turn is to classify cyclone. Saurika, classify cyclone.
Yes sir.
Come on.
Oh, for me,
Yeah.
Kingdom Animalia
Okay.
and Subkingdom Invertebrata
All right.
and Phylum Porphyria
Porifera. Okay.
and characteristics. And they contain small pores called ostics and large pore osculum.
Osculum. Good. Very good. Now, whom should I ask? I'm going to ask now Manisha. Manisha, your turn is to classify Hydra.
Hydra, uh, their body
Kingdom
is
first.
one
Kingdom.
form of Hydra.
Yeah. Kingdom Animalia. Sub kingdom Invertebrata.
Subkingdom
Phylum you didn't read.
Phylum.
Phylum
Okay,
Coelenterata
so
or Coelenterata and type Hydra. Can you give one characteristic of Hydra?
Hydra, their bodies are flexible.
No, their mouth is surrounded by tentacles. Mouth is surrounded by tentacles. Okay.
Tentacles.
Yeah. Now whose turn? Let me give chance to Dipasna. Dipasna, you classify tapeworm.
Kingdom Animalia.
Okay.
Kingdom Kingdom Platyhelminthes.
Invertebrata, not subkingdom. That is phylum.
Phylum Platyhelminthes.
Yeah.
And type tapeworm.
Yeah. Characteristic.
Characteristic, they are homophyte.
Hermaphrodite. They are hermaphrodite, means bisexual. Okay. Now it's the turn of Subiksha. Subiksha, can you Classify roundworm and give one characteristic.
Kingdom Animalia,
Yes.
subkingdom Invertebrates,
Yeah.
and phylum Nemathelminths,
Good.
roundworm,
Type round.
characteristics, they respirate through their skin.
They breathe through their skin. Okay, good. Now it's a turn of Rojan. Rojan, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your duty is
Yes,
to
sir.
classify earthworm.
Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Invertebrata, phylum Annelida, types earthworm. Their body contains many rings.
Yeah, their body contains many rings. They are ringed animals. Good. So Rojan has said this one. Now it's a turn of Pratifal. Pratifal, classify snail and give one characteristic.
Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Invertebrata, phylum Mollusca, and type snail.
Good.
And their body is covered with calcareous shell.
Good. Their body is covered with calcareous gel. That's absolutely correct. Now it's the turn of Bhumika. Bhumika, are you ready? You have to classify now housefly. Come on. Your sound is not coming. What happened? No sound is coming. Can you hear sound? You make the sound a
No,
little
sir.
bit higher. Read now. Bhumika, we cannot hear you. So your sound is not up to date. Ramesh Thapa, can you classify housefly? Always your mic has got problem. Why? You have to maintain, Babu, because it is producing sound. We cannot hear clearly. You have to start from kingdom. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Invertebrata, phylum Arthropoda, in type housefly. Prasanna, give the example that one characteristics of housefly.
They have paired or jointed legs.
Yeah, they have paired appendages, or they are paired appendages, or jointed appendages, or legs. That's good. Now, who is here? Saurika, can you classify starfish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on.
Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Invertebrata, and phylum in Echinodermata
Echinoderma.
and characteristic.
No, the
They are
type. Say type.
a types starfish
Okay.
and characteristics. Locomotion take place by 2 feet.
Yeah, locomotion takes place by
2 feet.
2 feet. That's good. 2 feet. Dear students, we have completed plant kingdom. We have completed animal kingdom. Now, what are we going to discuss? You know, we are going to discuss about vertebrates. Vertebrates. Okay. So, how do you classify vertebrates? Or how do you define vertebrates? What are vertebrates?
Which have
Those
spinal
animals who
cord,
have backbone,
which
discourse.
bone.
Those animals have backbone are called vertebrates. So, can you give the example of vertebrates?
Vertebrates.
Human being.
Fish,
Give the
dog,
example of vertebrates.
Cow, tiger,
Cow.
Cow, tiger, these
bat,
are vertebrates, right? Okay.
man.
Can you see something shared in your screen?
No, sir.
no sir, Now it is.
Now seeing.
Now
What is coming?
Calendar.
Means only your calendar is coming, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
going to share next one. Why it's not coming? Because it became a bit complicated. I'm just opening it. Okay, class 9 science PPT. So it will open and then we'll be discussing. So vertebrates are the animals which contain vertebral column or backbone. They contain vertebral column or backbone. So yes, can you see now what is given?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Vertebrates.
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 So they have got spinal cord, vertebrae, notochord, too many things they have got. And here we have to keep in mind that they are the most advanced animals. And vertebrates belong to one phylum, Chordata. Phylum is Chordata and subphylum is Vertebrata. And some examples of vertebrates are fish, frog, whale, cat, rat, bat, lion, dog, human beings, etc. And now you can see some characteristics of vertebrates. First characteristic is in early stage they have notochord or they possess notochord. Just please underline in your book. And they have pharyngeal gill slits, means in their pharynx there are gill slits. They contain postnatal tail. All the vertebrates contain small tail. Even we also possess small tail. And next characteristic is their eyes are originated
Sir,
from
where is
brain.
our tail then?
Sorry?
Where
Can
is
you
Yes,
see?
our
sir.
tail then?
Samiksha, can you see screen or not?
Yes, sir.
So, oh no, no, what did you say? You are saying some
I
question.
was saying, where is our tail then?
Where is our tail? That's very good. So when we discuss about skeletal system, we have to learn about backbone. At the lowermost part of the backbone, there is very small bone that is our tail. So its length
Oh,
is near about 10 millimeter. It's very short. That's why we cannot see it. It means that
Oh.
tail is not well developed in case of human beings, but in other animals, lovely, lovely, yummy, yummy tail they have got, like containing long, long puchar, we say, right? Is there long hair also,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you remember. Even Hathi also has got short, short puchar type, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And kukur, we have got ghumriya puchar, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why they say that it's very difficult to make the tail of a dog straight. Even if you try again twisting, oh my God, what is this? That is okay. It means they contain such type what?
Tail.
Tails. So now, students, we are discussing next thing. What is given here? Uh, Now, can you see something in the screen? What is there, students?
Yes, sir.
What is there in screen?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So
Nothing.
I will just share the screen now. Or let's go to next one, no problem. So eyes are originated from their brain, and earlier we discussed the characteristics of chordata. Now here characteristics of vertebrata. What are the characteristics of vertebrata? They have vertebral column. They have nervous system with brain. Nervous system with brain. They have posternal tail. And next important thing of vertebrata is their blood is blue in color, right? Students, their blood is blue in color.
Red.
Right.
Red, sir.
Their blood is red in color. Why is the blood red in color?
Don't know, sir.
The blood is red in color
Yes.
due to hemoglobin. Due to hemoglobin, okay? The blood is red in color due to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is red. That's why our blood is to color. So this presentation is not coming. And next one is now what can you see in the screen?
Calendar. Now nothing.
Nothing is there. So I was just pointing this, but this presentation sometimes doesn't come. What is the matter? This is also not doing well.
Sir, but we have book, no?
You have put it okay, so you can use that okay. Can you see now general characteristic of vertebrata?
It is of health, sir.
Real system.
No, sir.
I'm not going to share that one because the sharing is creating problem. It
Yes.
creates problem.
Waste of time.
Wait for some time. I'm just making this one. Okay. I said the blood is red in color due to hemoglobin, and vertebrates, they have got one pair of kidney. They have got one pair of kidneys. What is the function of kidney? What is the function of kidney? It helps to throw waste materials. It helps to throw the waste materials. Now, students, next thing we have to remember, vertebrates are divided into two groups. In how many groups? Two groups.
Two groups.
What are the two groups? Cold-blooded animals and
Warm-blooded.
Warm-blooded animals.
yes. So cold-blooded animals are called poikilothermic animals, and warm-blooded animals are called homothermic animals.
Homeothermic.
Okay, homeothermic or homothermic animals and poikilothermic animals. These things you have to remember. So that is nearly end of the lesson. Subeksha, will you tell me what did you discuss today? Subeksha,
Yes,
tell me what did you discuss
we
today?
we discussed classification of some invertebrates and
Okay.
vertebrates.
Now define vertebrates and tell the characteristics.
Um, uh, those animals with a backbone in their body is called vertebrates.
Yeah.
Characteristics: they have moist skin and their body is covered with hair.
The body is covered with hair. Okay.
They respire through lungs.
All vertebrates, do they respire through lungs? All vertebrates, do they respire through lungs?
No, sir.
No.
Isn't it? Very few they respire through lungs. So which one respires through lungs?
Human
Human
beings.
Human beings and birds, right?
Birds.
And which respire through gills?
Fish.
Yes. And which respire through skin?
Crocodile.
Crocodile doesn't.
Frog.
Frog,
I think
that's
frog
right.
have gills.
Frog, it respires through gills. Anyway, so in today's class we were able to do this thing, and next day's class we are going to discuss about poikilothermic animal and homeothermic animals. And students, are you checking the video in YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please check it. So I'm just keeping the video. I think it will be quite easy for you. And you can ask others also to check over there. And homework will come within 2 minutes in your group. Don't forget to submit. Many students, they have not submitted their work. Why?
Sir, that yesterday I was going to upload the homework and I mistakenly, without uploading, I click in submit
So please
and
be up to date and
and,
submit. Okay?
and I send it in chat.
No, chat doesn't work. You have to submit in your assignment. Okay?
Okay, sir.